We started using the Autel drone about 2 months ago for our rescue operations. The biggest benefit that I've seen is so far our swiftwater calls. We're able to deploy them rapidly, where before we would have to wait a pretty extended amount of time for the sheriff's office helicopter flight time out to us could be upwards of an hour. The 640 by 512 FLIR Bosun camera really helps us search for missing people at night. We're able to switch between the thermal profiles on there to identify what we're looking at, any movement, and really pick up on those heat signatures really well. One of the benefits is being able to hover and then using the zoom on the camera to zoom down to verify what we're looking at. That way we don't have to deploy resources in that area to search. We have a lot of trees and a lot of heavy cover, so to be able to just fly around and really get good visual down into those canopies is really helpful. We use this also for training to be able to videotape our fire suppression training plus any of our swiftwater or rope rescue trainings. It's a good chance for us to fly the drone and get practice, so it's beneficial for multiple applications.